Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack Auto Wash Kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the reagent kit. You can see the brand name over here, Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack. This is compatible with all Erba machine with Excel series. Yeah, you can see there. And this is the front view of the kit. You can again you can see this is the brand name Erba Mannheim and Excel System Pack. I'm just going to show you other sides of the pack. This is the other side. Yeah, over here you can see the manufacturing details of this pack. Yeah, over here you can find the code number of the kit. Yeah, the code number of the product is 120958. This is the code number, and the pack size is 10 into 100 ml. And you can see the product name over here, Erba Auto Wash Kit. And you can see this is concentrated auto wash solution for Excel series aqueous detergent solutions. Yeah, you can see the description over here. And this is the kit content. It comes up with reagent 1, Erba Auto Wash reagent, that is of 10 into 100 ml. This is the pack size. Yeah, after that we can see this is the C certified IVD product. And about temperature control, this product should be stored below 35 degrees Celsius. Yeah, at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Yeah, these are the stuffs present in this side. These are the details present in Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack Auto Wash Kit. Thank you.